Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can prevent websites from accessing your camera in Chrome. So you can control and block camera access in Google Chrome to ensure your privacy, and this is how you can do it step by step. First, you can just open your Google Chrome on your computer and then click on this three dot menu at the top right. And in the left hand menu in here, you can just go to the privacy and security. By going to the settings in here and this one, privacy and security. You can here just click on the site settings, this one. And then scroll down to the permission X sections and click on the camera. So in here, you can just toggle as before accessing to off. Or you can also just click on this, don't allow sites to use your camera. So features that need a camera won't work. So this will block all websites from using your camera without explicit permission. You can also block camera access for only specific website. Just find the camera section in here and you'll see a list of websites that have requested camera access if there's any. Here there's no site edit as you guys can see. So you can just locate the website you want to block if there's any in here and then click on the trash can icon or select block from the drop down menu next to the site. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.